Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be discussing about the most important instructions you must know before appearing for JIPMER MSc Nursing Entrance Examination. So kindly watch this video till end, and if you feel like this video is very useful for you, then do subscribe for my channel. First, I will discuss some important instructions you must follow due to this pandemic situation. You are supposed to maintain social distance from entry of examination till you exit from exam venue, and you are expected to follow instructions given by representative and stand in circle drawn at the entry point. Next, you must bring your own mask, either it might be N95 or 3-layer, it's up to you, and you have to bring your own gloves and hand sanitizer. 50 ml hand sanitizer is more than enough, and you can bring your own water bottle if you need it, but the water bottle should be transparent. And next is before entering into an examination hall, your temperature will be checked using a thermogun, and if suppose your temperature is high, then don't worry, you will be allowed to write your exam, but in a separate room where they allowed. And the next is the thing you must keep in mind that you will be under the CCTV coverage. So any illegal activities from you, if they find, then you will not be allowed to write your exam. Next, we will see what are all the important things which we must bring into the examination hall. The most important thing is your admit card, that is your hall ticket. If you don't bring your admit card, then you will not be allowed to write your exam. And the second most important thing you must bring into your examination hall is your original ID proof and photocopy or Xerox of it. You can bring either your passport, voter ID or Aadhaar card with photograph, driving license and your bank passbook. Any original ID proof apart from these will not be permitted in the exam center. So you must bring any one of this original ID proof with a photocopy or that is Xerox of that. And the next we will see about the things which is strictly prohibited, that is you are not supposed to carry into the examination center. The first one is your pen or your pencil, and the next is your cell phone, mobile phones or any smartphones you are not supposed to carry into the examination center. And the next is your pen drive, and next is your smart watches. Even your normal wristwatch you are not supposed to wear. And the next is your data card, and the last one is your calculator. Even not only scientific, the normal calculator also you are not supposed to bring. Not only this device, apart from this, all the electronic devices are also strictly prohibited into the examination center, and if they find through CCTV camera that you are having any of these devices, then you will be expelled out of the examination center and they won't allow you to write the exam, and also they might take legal actions on you. So kindly don't carry those things into the examination center. Next, we will see about the general instructions. First is your entry time. You will be allowed to enter into the examination hall from 12 pm to 1:15 pm. After 1:15 pm, you will not be allowed into the examination hall and you can't write your exam. So kindly be before 1:15 pm. And next is your examination starting time. Exam starts at 2 pm and ends at 3:30 pm, and the duration of total examination hours is only 90 minutes. And after entering your examination hall, your biometric will be captured by iris scanner instead of finger impression. And before you are leaving your examination hall, that is after you finish your exam, you are leaving your examination hall, that time you have to give your photocopy of the original ID proof to the invigilator. And the last one is, as I said before, if you don't follow the rules and regulations and if you don't follow the instructions given by the representative, then you will be expelled out of the examination center and appropriate legal actions will be taken on you. That's all friends, we came to the end of this video, and one who watched this video till end, if you feel like this video is very useful for you, then kindly do subscribe for my channel. And all the best for all the candidates who are going to appear for this JIPMER MSc Nursing program, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you.